In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Gmail. If you've ever wanted your emails to look more organized, adding a simple indent can make a big difference. It helps separate ideas, highlight a quote, or create a clean visual structure without complicated formatting. Start by opening Gmail and going to the email where you want to add the indent. This could be a new message you're composing or a reply. Once the compose window is open, place your cursor exactly where you want the indent to start. Think of this as telling Gmail, apply the indent to this paragraph. If your text is already typed, simply click anywhere in that paragraph. If you haven't typed yet, click to set the cursor where your new indented line will begin. Now for the quick shortcut that does all the work. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then tap the closing bracket key, which looks like a square bracket pointing right. You'll usually find that key on the right side of your keyboard, near the Enter key. Keep Control held down while you tap the bracket once to add a single level of indent. If you want a deeper indent, tap the closing bracket again. Each tap moves the paragraph one level further to the right, giving you a clear, stepped look. You can repeat this as many times as you need until the text looks just the way you want it. Some people like a subtle indent, others prefer a more pronounced shift for emphasis. The great part is that Gmail applies this to the entire paragraph where your cursor is placed, so you don't have to highlight anything to make it work. Just click, hold Control, and tap the closing bracket to increase the indent level. As you're doing this, watch the text shift to the right in the compose window. That visual movement is your confirmation that the shortcut is working. If you're continuing to write new lines after an indented paragraph, the new lines will keep the same indent level, which is perfect for lists or nested ideas. And that's it. Open your email, click where you want the indent, hold Control, and tap the closing bracket as many times as you need. With this quick method, your messages will look cleaner and more professional in seconds. Try it the next time you want to separate a point, quote something important, or give your email a polished structure.